Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Marston, that's Tech guys. So in this video we're taking a look at the M6 Smart Band. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate that. So without wasting time, let's get into this. Front of the box, there's the M6 written here, and we get to see the M6 itself in all its glory. And there's a 6 and there's a Smart Band 6 here. On the side it says 0.96 crisp and clear full AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, stress monitoring and breathing training, menstrual cycle and breathing training. Again, when you flip the box over, the other side it says up to 30 workout modes, data tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistant up to 50 meters, swimming stroke recognition, reliable sleep information recording, and magnetic charging. The back of the box says model name, Smart Bracelet, power input 5 volts 1 amp, display 0.96 TFT, waterproof IP67 rating. It has a working time 4 to 7 days, standby time 45 days, and it has Bluetooth 4.0, charging method, charging clip, Android 4.4 and iOS 8.5 and above. And there's also a red dot here. This is to show the color of the bracelet. Alright, so this one is a red wristband and this one is a blue wristband. Let's just put that back and see if we can open this. Right. Okay, just start with the wristband itself. This is an orange color, and there's as well as blue, there's black, and a whole lot of other fruity colors. This is actually just the basic what we've seen even from last year's M5. It's pretty much the same thing. I don't think they're changing much with these things. Yeah, let's just put that to the side, see what else comes in here. Alright, this is the charging clip. Now on the box it was saying it was a magnetic clip, but this one is not magnetic at all. Not sure what they meant by that, but yeah, this is the charging clip. Alright, just put that to the side. There's a wristband user manual. Okay. Alright. Wow, it's long. So yeah, there's a user manual probably telling you how to use this smart bracelet. Okay, let's just put that to the side as well and take the face of the M6. Now right off the bat it looks like it's similar to the M5. Not sure what is different. Okay, although on the box it was saying, let's just remove this. Although on the box it was saying this one is an AMOLED display, but we'll see if that's the case. Let's see if we can just power this on. Okay, saying Fit Pro. Now last year's M5, I think it had the Pro Fit. Now this one is saying Fit Pro. All right, different kind of interface here. Even the icons, they've slightly changed. The heart rate monitor, there's sports. Let's see what sort of modes you get here: running, skipping, sit up. Okay, there's messages. As you know, you can get your messages here, read your messages from your phone directly here. Sleep, weather, music, more. Okay, there's camera, looking for theme. Let's see what sort of themes it has. Okay, there's this one, you've seen it already, and this is the other theme. Let's see. Now there are 2 themes included here, as you can see. Reset, if you want to reset this and download this QR code, it will take you to the software. But on startup it looks like they've gone back to the software that they were using on the, is it the M4, the Fit Pro? Because last time around on the M5 it was the Pro Fit. Okay, so yeah, this is when you want to switch it off. Okay, so let's see if we can connect this to the software. All right, so there are basically two ways we'll be able to scan the code here. We can use this user manual to scan this QR code here, or we can use this QR code here, depending which one you like. Let's see if we can just scan that. Now what you need to do is make sure that you have a QR code reader in your phone. Okay, once it launches, you just want to, let's see if we can just zoom in a bit. Okay, waiting for it to capture. All right, there's the link. Now all you need to do on your QR code reader is to click open, and it will take you to, all right, Fit Pro app download. Now I'm going to use the Google Play Store. It's opening on the Play Store. All right, now I already have the Fit Pro app on my phone, so what I just need to do is just click open it. Whilst it's doing that, let's see if we can just put the bands on this one. All right, just pull it like that, fit around with it, just make sure it's aligned. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, so there it is. Let's see if we can connect the software to the band. What we need to do is come here under set, and up here under bind devices to experience more features. Let's click that. So right now it's scanning. Okay, let's launch the Fit Pro app again. Okay, PFM5. Mine, this is an M6, so let's show where it's giving me that. All right, there's M6. M6 appears here. Let's see if we can click on that. Try to connect. Completed. Check the time, it's 12 o'clock here. Completed. Right. Right, so as you can see, it's already synced. Both the phone and the smart bracelet have synced, which means, as you can see, the time is now it's now 12 o'clock here. So, but let's see what sort of things you get on this app. Obviously, you can measure your distance, consumption, target. Let's see, set, message, push. You click on that. That means you can connect your WhatsApp, your Facebook, SMS remind, calls remind, everything. When you turn this on, you get this notification. I mean, let's say you receive a WhatsApp message, your bracelet will vibrate, and you'll be able, if you go under message, you'll be able to read messages. Like there's now, it's saying now here because we haven't connected it. But yeah, these are some of the features. Let's see. Let me just put this by the side. Let's see what other features that come here. Just go back. Dial settings, reset, remove, over the air update, motion, walk, run, bike. Means you can start tracking yourself as you're running, or on a bike as you're walking. What's that? More, what else is here? Just about the app and more things. All right, so basically that's how you connect the M6 Smart Band to your phone, and this is how you set it up for the first time. All right, so my initial impressions of the M6, I think they didn't change much here, except I can notice that the display is a bit brighter because they're saying it's now an AMOLED display, and I kind of believe them. The bands, the wristbands are just the same. Everything else is just like the M5. You've got the M5, and maybe you want to upgrade to this. I would say maybe try to skip this one because not much has really changed, unless maybe you just want to, you have the money lying around and you just want to purchase it, no problem. But I don't see much difference between this and the M5. So that's been it, guys, the unboxing, the first look of the M6 Smart Bracelet. If you enjoyed the video, please give it that thumbs up button. Otherwise, see you in the next video.